The Maxi Vac from Clifford James really is a breakthrough in vacuum cleaner performance and usability. Maxi Vac cleans up where others fail, weighing less than a quarter of the weight of the UK's leading upright vacuum cleaner. The lightweight Maxi Vac really delivers the power to clean up. Using the latest bagless technology, the 600-watt motor delivers direct suction all of the time and converts from an upright to a handheld vacuum, to a shoulder-held vacuum, and back to an upright vacuum in seconds. Ideal for those who struggle with a larger vacuum cleaner or those with a limited storage space, Maxi Vac makes light work of cleaning stairs, upholstery, curtains, and carpets. Providing maximum performance with minimal effort, its swivel head glides under furniture and beds. Maxi Vac features a removable, washable filter, but should the need ever arise, then replacement filters are available. To complete the package, an optional accessory pack makes cleaning those hard-to-reach areas a breeze.